Flamingo coin, Flamingo.finance. Now, Flamingo.finance is the first really DeFi app on the Neo blockchain, and right now they are just launching the mint rush. So there were some issues in the first day or two, but we seem to be getting pretty good right now. So what I'm going to show you guys today is 3 different ways to stake your various cryptocurrencies in order to get these Flamingo finance tokens. So first thing we need to know is which cryptocurrency you're looking to stake. Now, I've chosen today to go through and walk you through how to stake BNB, BUSD, which is just Binance's version of the dollar, and Neo. Now, Neo comes with a little bit of extra complications, but we'll walk through. Essentially, we're going to have to turn this Neo into Neo just to wrap it and secure it into the pool, and then we can stake it. So first thing we're going to do is do this Neo. So we're going to go here to Binance, and we are looking at the Neo BUSD trade. So I'm just going to go ahead. I have about $21. Let's see. Nope, I don't. I need to. First thing we're going to do is show you how to stake the BNB. Pretty simple. We're going to go. We have Binance Coin, and we also have Binance USD. We're going to go here in our Binance account. We're going to hit savings. Once we hit savings, we're going to go to a launch pool. Now you can see I've already got both BNB and BUSD staked. In this case, we're going to hit view yield. And we can see how many I have staked right now. Now in this case, I already had 18 staked, but I'm going to stake another additional 2, which purchased overnight, which I was planning to buy Neo with. Stake. It pulls it right here, max. Now there's no APY yet because Flamingo token hasn't been released, so there's no price yet, but we'll know in 13 hours. Done. That's it. Okay. Now, let's go to the BUSD wallet. So we're going to go to launch pool again, no different. Stake now. I've got 48 BUSD here staked. All right, now I'm going to go ahead and stake these. Max. Boom. It's less than the amount. It's only 40 cents. So actually what we're going to do, but you would do the same amount. What we're going to do is actually redeem these. We're also going to claim the rewards that we received recently from overnight staking. Now we have this BUSD, and we're going to go back and buy Neo so that we can show you how to stake it on the Flamingo.finance vault. Hope you guys are staying with me so far. Hey, if you haven't given us a subscribe yet, please do. Get this little logo here. Oh. All right. Now we're going to buy Neo. All right, and we're filled. Perfect. Okay, now we go to our Binance wallet, and we should see that we have Neo here. Boom, Neo. Okay, now we're going to withdraw this to our Neoline wallet. So if you don't have a Neoline wallet, you're going to go to Neoline, and you just install that extension. You'll back up your password and get going. I'll do another video on this, more detailed on how to do it. Cool. So now that we have our Neoline, we're going to withdraw. Now here's I'm going to go in here, get my primary wallet address, hit receive, copy this QR code, make sure, ends in MCV6, good. Let's put our withdrawal address. All right, now we're in the whitelist. Let's try this again. FMCV6, we're good to go there. It looks right here. FMCV6, okay, we're good. Let's withdraw the Max Neo. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. 2.3. And we should get that NEO in just a moment here. Just waiting on the NEO. Yeah, this is one of the downsides to using these decentralized versions of it versus the centralized exchange. You know, you go into Binance, boom, everything's done right there. That's their competitive advantage, but it sort of defeats the purpose of crypto and decentralized finance. You'll see these centralized finance, big institutions starting to create channels towards these back ends. The pretty front end Binance channeled to stuff like Flamingo, which is exactly what we have in this case today. They're just tapping into it on the back end to make it easier user experience. No surprise that we're going to get more NEO, more Flamingo from doing this. Oh. Just waiting on the NEO transaction. Usually they go through pretty quick. Little, just kind of waiting on this guy. Waiting on this guy. Don't forget to subscribe. We're just starting this channel, DeFi Daily, and we are gonna try to post a video every single day. So would love to hear the topics and what you're interested in. You know, my background is financing and computers, and so this is all I want to teach everyone about how you can make your money work for you and what to be prepared for in the coming digital age. This isn't going away. My money might be, though. Oh, there's no transaction fee on NEO too when you withdraw Binance. That's a cool thing to think about. Can't withdraw the fractional NEO though. I don't love that. All right. What we had to do was trade BNB to Bitcoin and then Bitcoin for gas. But we're just going to go ahead and buy one gas here. Okay, now we've got gas. That's great because we're going to need it. We've got one gas. We're going to withdraw one gas. There's a 0.005 gas fee. Okay, now that we've added it, we just need to withdraw. So let's do it. It's time for the fun stuff. Vault. First we need to go to the income wrapper. Select our NEO. So what you can see is that we need to deposit N NEO. So what we're going to do is first take our NEO and turn it into N NEO. Now N NEO is just a wrapped version on this contract. Not enough gas. Okay. So we're just waiting for that gas to hit, and then, okay, we've got it actually. We've got the N NEO. Okay, now we have 2 N NEO. So we didn't actually need gas after all. Now we have 2 N NEO. Let's go ahead and stake those N NEO. Confirm, and then this is going to require 0.01 gas. So we just got to wait for that to hit. All right, we got the gas now. Let's confirm it. And we're good to go. Yes, gas fee, waiting for confirmation. we're done. Boom. And we're already minting. Now, in this case, we're not going to claim them yet. But we're minting. That's it. That's all you do. Now, once this goes live, we'll be good to go. We'll be back here tomorrow to check and see how these staking are going and where we're getting the most payouts. In the meantime, thanks for checking out the channel, and I hope you learned something here. Leave a comment with some questions and what you think about this video. Obviously, this is the first one, so we're going to be starting these, doing these quite frequently. So, but you can see, let's see, we've got 51,929. Let's just refresh it in about 10-15 seconds, and you can see it actually accumulating in real time. So that's pretty cool. Thanks guys for checking out DeFi Daily. We'll be back tomorrow. Once again, this is Zach. Have a great day.